How to turn on stats for nerds on YouTube. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable it on your iPhone, Android, and computer. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Settings. Then tap General. Look for Stats for Nerds and turn on the toggle. Now, go back to YouTube and open any video. Play the video, then tap the three-dot menu or More button. Select Stats for Nerds. You should now see technical information displayed over the video, including details about the video, device, connection, and playback. YouTube says this information can help troubleshoot video playback problems. If you're using YouTube on a computer, open a video and right-click directly on the video player. Then select Stats for Nerds from the menu. The technical information will appear on top of the video. If you don't see Stats for Nerds on your phone, make sure the feature is enabled in Settings/General first. YouTube notes that you won't see the option from the video player unless Stats for Nerds has been enabled in the app settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and viewed Stats for Nerds on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out more helpful YouTube tips and tutorials.